If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Still does look very new. It was built in 2018, so it's not that old. Everything on here is nice and fresh. That's me right there. Really nice size showers, so I'm really enjoying it. Now, once again, you all, it's just me. It's no one else in here. So like I said, this is plenty of room for just me. For 2 people, it should be comfortable. For me, it's amazing. Next, we have, I'm assuming a closet. Yeah, it's a pretty good sized closet. Not bad at all. And then you have your temperature control here. Now I have it on the coolest setting you can get, but it's just not getting cold in here, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. But hopefully it'll start to cool down. And then you have your computer desk with a nice little vanity mirrors. That's pretty cool. And you got this huge couch. I apologize, I'll start to unpack and I realized, I was like, man, I haven't done it for my room yet, so I just kind of stopped in the middle of it. But you got that there, and then you got this nice little drawer right here. Now these things are pretty deep, so you got plenty of space. And then you also have a mini fridge. Now I thought this was a safe when I saw this, but this is actually just a fridge, so there you go. Alright, so once we keep on moving on, you got a second size, so I guess for him or her, so you all can both basically have their own little closet. This is the actual safe here. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure I'll put something in there. And then you got these. Now, the one thing I will say, and I'm actually happy about, is finally, after literally so many different cruises, this one finally has ports beside the dang bed. I mean, it's only one, but if you have an outlet like I do, you'll be okay. So kudos. And another cool thing is the bed is actually directly in front of the TV instead off to the side. So once again, kudos, you all are doing it right. Now you can't move it around, but it's there, so it's not bad. All right. And then this is the cool part. So if you open this door, and now you can people watch. You got the band Lily right there. They're not playing right now. They're probably about to play in a little bit, so I'll record some footage. But you get this nice view of everything. Oh, there it is. There we go. Isn't that dope? It's so cool. So yeah. And of course, if you don't want to hear the music, just close them on off. Alright, so just in case I missed some of the outlets here, so you have 2 USBs, and those look like fast charging USBs. So 1, 2, and then you got a plug right here, here. So all together, that's technically 4, 5, and then you got that weird outlet right there. So literally 5 plugs just right there, and then you got 2 over there. So I mean, you're pretty much loaded in this room. Great job, Royal Caribbean. Good job. Alright, so I had to record this because I'm a huge fan of both disco and classical music, and hearing this is just so dope. Down there playing. I don't even know the words, but it just sounds so good. Alright, and cheers folks to this beautiful ship. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.